Hey YouTubers, this is Jacques Gaines from Jacques Gaines Photography. I am in my backyard, which is finally a backyard. No more snow. I think the last time I talked to you guys, there was snow in the backyard. I'm gonna take off today with the FZ. Here it is, I'll pull it out. The FZ 2500. I'm actually gonna be taking photos with it today. It's a very sunny day, as you can see. Therefore, I will be using and taking advantage of the ND filters on it. I'm just riding around, just a normal day, just trying to get some photos. So stay tuned. So as you can see from the light, it is harsh and it's high noon. Normally I never shoot at high noon, but I had no choice. It had been like weeks that I hadn't shot and I just wanted to go out there and shoot. And sometimes you just got to deal with your schedule and do what you have to do to get the shot. So I used that harsh lighting to my advantage to get really contrasty black and white. That was my goal for the whole day. And I think it worked. But sometimes you just got to make do with what you got. I have argued this a lot with a lot of people, but I really think the purists in street photography who always use a 35 millimeter or 23 or 22 millimeter should think sometimes about using a super zoom, because the benefits of a super zoom when you're doing street, it's just unbelievable. This video today, I wanted to really kick off a series for the summer. I'm going to try to do it through the summer and the fall, all the way to January 2019. And the idea of the series is the fact that we just can't blame our subject for the fact that we're not taking great photos. I really want to, I don't have the money this year to actually travel and go to exotic places. And I find what happens is we see a lot of people that shoot out there, and a lot of the great shots we see on Instagram, Flickr, all these places, they're always shot in these exotic places. And when we look at those shots, the first thing that goes through your mind is, boy, if I could just be in that spot, I'd get the great picture. And this summer, I'm really gonna stress the fact that even if you stay in your hometown, you can find some beauty and you can find some beautiful shots in where you live. Now, I found myself making this excuse in a place like Quebec City, which, by the way, I don't know if you know about this city, but by its own natural beauty, it is fantastic. It's just a beautiful place, and I'll be showing you what it's like in the near future. I will definitely be showing you all kinds of stuff this summer. There's Vallée de la Jacques-Cartier, there's Haute-Gorge, there's tons of natural beauty around here. But the other thing I wanted to talk about, and it's basically the theme of the video today, is we tend to tell ourselves that, you know, if we want to do street photography, we need to go to New York City. If we want to do landscape, we need to be on a fjord in Norway, or we need to be in the Rockies to get the greatest shots. But there's landscape and there's city photography everywhere. And today I've been shooting and I've been seeing some stuff that's really cool. And I think in the case of street photography, a lot of people think that the stigma is there has to be human suffering for there to be a point in taking a shot. And I'm just, when it comes to street and candid photography, I'm not a purist at all. So the theme of this video is I wanted to get some street photography, and instead of telling myself, well, I gotta be in New York, Chicago, or these big cities in abandoned warehouses on the street where there's tons of payment, I go to my little town, this little tourist town where everyone lives well and there's a lot of tourists around, and I still think I got some great candid photos today. And it'll be the theme for the whole summer. I'm gonna be calling it Don't Blame Your Subject. And stay tuned, guys, to check that out. It's going to be kind of cool. But for now, I still got lots more shots to do. I saw some more stuff, and I got to get home because I also got to pick up my daughter. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy.